Last time, we discovered how bees built perfect hexagons. But today, we're meeting another amazing builder.
One, that spins out of silk.
Meet the amazing,
Spider!
one of nature's most skillful builders. But how does a spider build such an amazing web? But first, let's find out. Where does the silk come from?
Does the spider find it outside?
No!
It makes the silk inside its own body. Special silk glands produce liquid silk. Then, the liquid silk comes out through tiny silk spinners called spinnerets.
So the spider carries its own tiny silk factory.
But making silk is only the beginning. How does the spider know where to place every thread? The spider starts with just one silk thread. The wind carries the thread to another branch.
Now it has its first bridge. Then it builds a strong frame around the edges. Next, it adds spokes, like the wheel of a bicycle.
Finally, it spins a spiral from the outside toward the middle.
By step, the web takes shape. No ruler, no blueprint, just amazing instinct.
But here's the real mystery. If the web is sticky, why doesn't the spider get stuck?
Most spider webs have two kinds of silk.
Some threads are dry and strong. Others are covered with tiny sticky drops to catch flying insects. The spider carefully walks mostly on the dry threads. So while insects get trapped, the spider moves around like an expert tightrope walker. And its feet are specially adapted to help reduce sticking.
But wait, there's one more surprise. Spider silk looks tiny, but it's one of nature's strongest materials.
How can such a thin thread be so strong?
Spider silk is made from special proteins. These proteins lock together
To make threads that are incredibly tough and flexible. The silk can stretch without breaking. It can absorb the energy of fast-flying insects.
That's why a delicate-looking web can stop a buzzing fly without falling apart. Scientists are even studying spider silk to create strong new materials for the future.
Today we discovered how spiders build amazing webs, but next time we'll meet a tiny builder that builds giant towers. See you next time!